Regenerative medicine, which includes platelet-rich plasma or PRP and stem cell therapies, utilizes the body's own cells to heal and regenerate damaged tissues in acute and chronic conditions. Hundreds of dogs and their owners have benefited from these therapies for treatment of arthritis, soft tissue injuries, and certain spinal conditions. Hear what some dog owners have to say about regenerative medicine and how the companion regenerative therapy system provided long-term results to healing their dog's injuries.
Devin is a multi-purpose performance dog. Devin has medial shoulder instability, and she also has bilateral iliopsoas strains.
Callie, she is a black lab and she will be 6 in January. She's a search and rescue dog. She works off lead, so she ranges quite a bit, and she's going over and over the down trees, and I think she just took a misstep and she ended up with a partial tear of her CCL.
My dog's name is Zenyatta. She's a 3-year-old Rottweiler. She was lame in her front foreleg and she couldn't compete in any dog shows.
My dog's name is Angus. He's a 4-year-old yellow Labrador. Angus was suffering from a bilateral partial Achilles tendon tear, which means he tore both Achilles tendons.
When PRP was offered for Zenyatta, I was very excited. Coming from a medical research, animal research background, I knew the potential that this could be really helpful for her.
I was thrilled when they offered me the regenerative medicine.
It was nice that they were able to concentrate them, or they had a path that they could concentrate them on site and re-inject them same day. That made me happy.
By her second injection, I noticed there was definitely some improvement there. I wasn't noticing the lameness on and off like I was before. And then by the third treatment, I was like, gosh, I think it's very minimal. You could barely tell. And unless she was on special equipment that they could actually physically see it. And it was very hard to detect at that time. So we were all excited. We were all very excited.
Angus has exceeded my expectations with the regenerative medicine. He continues to get better and I'm just thrilled. This therapy has affected our lives because I don't need to worry about him breaking at any moment. He is solid, he's sound, he feels good. It's great.
She's awesome. She's been great. She's good as new and has had no problems.
I think it's a good treatment. I think Zenny didn't have any issues with it. I expected her to have, be sore for longer. She wasn't sore for longer. We were in and out of here half a day, knowing how much it helped her. If I ever have another dog go through arthritic changes or an injury, I'm definitely doing this again.
I recommend PRP and stem cell therapy to everyone who has a dog that has a problem. Even if it doesn't relate, I just am a firm believer in it. I've seen it help hundreds of horses, and now I've seen it help a lot of dogs as well. I think it's fantastic.